Hello traders, another day and we got some more profits. Today was tough day on the markets because market open with the gap on some instruments. We could see strong impulses on major currency pairs. Bolt went straight to the sky. Uh, but anyway, in these conditions, we were able to make around $5,000 in profit, and we got still one position open, and it's secured on break even. Let me show you what we did today. We're gonna start from the open position on USD CHF. You can see trade is open, is secured on break even. At this moment, we got profit of $2,169, and this trade is from the morning session. Okay, so we made plan on the morning session. We set pending order, and order was activated. And like you can see, we are halfway to our take profit. I want to show you the screens. This one is from crude oil, but unfortunately, the market went straight up from this place. So we didn't get to the area where we wanted to open the trade. Market went opposite. That's okay. That's why we make plans. We are expecting the price to get to some areas so we can open the trade. Like on this one, we couldn't use this trade, unfortunately, but it's fine. We still got some nice profits. Okay. This trade is on US dollar Swiss franc. That was planned. So this trade is open basically. And you can see the plan from the morning session. So we were looking for a high volume edge. And also, I think there was imbalance and some liquidity zone. So we were waiting for the price to drop to this area, and our trade was activated. It's still open, so hopefully we're gonna be able to get full take profit of $5,000. But let's have a look at some other trades. Like I said, today was tough day, so we didn't open too many trades. But anyway, we got some nice profits. This trade, yes, you can see order on USD CHF was set. Now it's activated. Over here during live trading session, Pavel sent us some screenshots. He opened the position on gold using AI volume indicator. So I'm not sure. Yes, I have a screen. You can see volume area, green, and also we got some dot right here. So this is confirmation from our AI indicator. Pavel entered the position to go up, and basically he got full take profit. So that trade was pretty nice. He got 2,000, nearly $3,000 on this trade. Two trades. I think one trade, but it was probably split. I guess so. But nice trade anyway. $3,000 profit on our live trading session. Okay. Next, we got some trade straight from Pablo. Yes, Pablo also joined our session, and he sent us a screenshot from his trade. This trade, I had another screenshot. I don't have it here, but you can see that was the quick one. This is 1 minute time frame. The trade was open, and 3 minutes after, we got full take profit on this trade. Also, Pablo was using AI volume indicator to set this order. You can see it's working pretty well. Right here in the right top corner, the right corner, you can see another indicator, forecaster, which also helps us to make decisions because you can see it predicts market moves. So when you're using volume AI indicator together with forecaster, it gives you more power and you can generate some more profits. Okay. It was quick one, more scalping because this was 1 minute time frame. Pretty good trade, I would say. And the last one, that was also quick. It took us 5 minutes. We were using order flow to enter the position. I was looking for a specific candle we got set up from smart money using order flow. So we are looking for specific candle. After we can see this candle is closed, we can open the position. Like you can see, position was open, and we got full take profit, risk to reward 1-to-1, because this one is a quick one. And I think we made $400 on this trade. So today, I think it's pretty good, and we got still one trade open. Okay, trade is secured on break even, so there's no risk. And if we're gonna get the full take profit, we're gonna get around $5,000 extra profit, which is, I think, pretty amazing. Okay, I want to show you also trading journal. Right here, you can see this position. I think we got screenshot as well. Yes, quick trades. It's been counted to statistics, so strategy, smart money, order flow, $400. Also, we can check our trading plans. Look how many plans we got over here. Today we made only few. Two of them are here. The other one on Euro USD is down there. So it's looking pretty good. Let's check some statistics. We are getting a little bit better now. At this moment, crude oil gave us the most profit of $7,700. Euro USD gave us $4,300. GBP USD $1,747. And USD CHF, unfortunately, we got stopped out. So I think it's pretty good. Let's check strategy analysis. At this moment, ASAP strategy is working the best because we got free trades, 100% win rate. We got stop out on price action cycle and basic buy. But, this is normal market. Not only gives you extra profits, but sometimes we hit stop losses. And like I said, this is pretty normal. This is part of this business, guys. So tomorrow is another day. We're going to look for some more opportunities. If you like to join our sessions, you need to click subscribe button and like us if you want to see more content like this, or if you want to join our live trading sessions. Tomorrow in the morning at 9 a.m. we're going to have live trading sessions on YouTube, so you can join us and see how we trade, how we make plans during that session, how we open positions. And of course, later on 2 p.m. we're going to have another live trading session, but internal live trading session for our community, because we got live trading sessions every single day from the morning, sometimes till late evening. And also we got live trading session on Sunday, and we are trading on crypto. So if you like to join us, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Another day, another profit. Yesterday we had nice profit. Today nice profit. Hopefully tomorrow will be even better for us. Okay, so we're gonna look for some more opportunities. Thank you guys for your attention. Tomorrow, another session. We're gonna check later on what's happened during those sessions. And like every single day, I will give you some results. We will see. Maybe we're gonna be in loss tomorrow. Who knows? Maybe we're gonna be in profit, maybe huge profit. We don't know that yet. We need to wait till tomorrow. For today, I'm done. I'm not trading anymore. I've done what I could. I've got my profits. I don't need anything else. So guys, thank you for your attention. I will see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. on our YouTube live trading session. So please join us and see how we do it. Take care.